Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new video here, John, with your host. Today, everybody, we're going to be going over the trade that we took this morning, which was actually a pretty decent trade. I'm not going to lie, but today's video, I wanted to talk about fake breakouts because that's exactly what happened to me today. If you guys do remember yesterday, I literally said that we should play some calls just because, look, if you guys take a look right here, go to Trading View, we jotted down some supply and demand zones, and it looked like, man, look how beautiful it jumped. So a couple days back, let's see, we got the low Friday right there, and then when was it? Just yesterday, man, some puts would have paid nicely, but look at that, went all the way down to Friday's low, which was also in this little demand zone, and exactly what it did yesterday. I was like, you know what, we probably might have a nice little bounce, and we should probably play some calls. And look at that, man, look at that, clean. That's clean right there, man. All day, bro. If you guys bought calls at the beginning of the day, man, congratulations, you guys are banking. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys trade today. But like always, everybody, I do like to trade at least one contract a day, just one contract a day. That way I can keep my practice, my skills, sharpen my skills up without losing any capital. Meanwhile, we're learning. So yeah, man, damn, I'll be talking way too fast, man. I gotta take a little breather. Anywho, like always, everybody, decided to buy a quick little put for the SPY 385 put strike, and we lost about $6 here. And let me just kind of show you guys exactly what happened. So we bought it at 634, sold it at 637. So let's go to the, obviously we should always start at the daily chart, you know, but for showing you guys a recap. So the reason why I took this call was because, let's see, so we got pre-market high, which was this area right here, and as soon as we opened up, we tested it, rejected it, came down, and then we went all the way up. We went up to retest it, which you could say it could be like a double top or a triple top, since it jot down all these little, it touched this price area around here, and look exactly what happened, man. You got a quick little pop to the upside and then back to the downside. So as soon as it popped up a little bit, bro, I took an exit, man, because I'm like, no way. Actually, it was right here. I seen a tiny little pop, boink. And then I'm like, nah, bro, it's probably going to keep going up. So, you know what? I got out of it, and look at it, man. Like 2-3 minutes later, it goes back down to that price range, and it just drops down. Could have collected some nice premium on that, or some nice profits. But, hey, man, it's all good. It is what it is. You guys see it right here. Again, I entered around this area right here. Popped up, and I'm like, you know what, I am out of this trade. I am not gonna stay in. And that's one thing I really like. Again, if I was wrong, I mean, again, I only lost like $6, which is really small compared to my big winners. But recently, man, we've been on track with the trades. It's just patience, man, patience. But today, honestly, I'm gonna be strict with myself, because again, it's like, bro, as soon as this could have popped, what if we had a candle like that, bro, would have been a massive, a little fat loss. So, you know, I'm not gonna stick around for that. But yeah, man, so far we could have collected some good premium. We bought this at 193, and I seen it go most like 220, I believe. So it could have been a nice little $20 to $30 winner. Yeah, almost 230. Since we hit that supply or that demand zone, it honestly bounced up really nice. I thought, honestly, all day today we're gonna go for that little we're gonna fill in this little empty gap right here. We'll probably see that either tomorrow. If not, I don't think this is gonna get filled anytime soon. I mean, we'll see. To be honest, we'll see. As soon as I seen this nice little green candle around this area too, I'm like, bro, honestly, some calls, man. Damn, I should have done it. Next time when I see a nice little setup, I'm just gonna take it, even if I have to swing it. I know I don't swing any options or anything like that, but yeah, hey, but who knows, man, this could have easily went down here, bro, to the downside. But man, shout out to everybody that banked on some calls. I took I took a tiny little loss, so it's all good, man. In my books, I'm gonna take this as a dub, because again, if you guys know me, I don't use stop losses. I only use mental stop losses. So yeah, man, as soon as I seen that little pop, I was like, bro, I gotta cut. But I should have waited just a little bit. That's all I had to do, just wait a little bit. Honestly, maybe next time, if a candle closes on top of this, then I'll probably close it, because, you know, I always thought about it, like, you always get wicks, right? It's like, as long as the price doesn't stay up there and it keeps on wicking, I should just stay in the trade, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's because I seen all these rejection, all these EMAs, the VWAP, and I'm like, dude, honestly, I think, and if we look at prior, Look at that. It's just kind of moving up, goes down, retests, shoots back up. So I'm just like, dude. And this would have, honestly, that should have been a clean call trade right here, bro. Look at this. You got you got a little two tops right here, right? And then you got all these wicks right there. The price, again, does not close below these wicks. So that should have been a nice little indicator to go into to buy a call. But I mean, look at that, man. Shout out the Bulls, bro. They won today. Yeah, man. All I had to do was just wait a little bit. I just had to wait a little bit. I mean, either way with this put, I would have for sure banked a little bit. Would have been a nice little winner. But I told myself, man, I literally have to just wait a little more. I mean, look at that. Rejection off the VWAP. Shoots up with the nice fat green candle. And just for the rest of the day, man, look at that. Just rise the 9 EMA. Just like that. So every day is a different, it could be different patterns, different situations. Sometimes the EMAs will work, sometimes it won't. Sometimes you got to look at price action. Sometimes you got some clean support, resistance, supply and demand zones. Again, everybody, this game is like every day. You just got to practice. And that's what I'm doing every single day. I'm just practicing pretty much my patience, man, my psychology. And look at it, man. It's like the RSI, according to the RSI, it's oversold. So if it stays like this, maybe tomorrow we can see some action to the downside. I don't know, man. You guys let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Again, everybody, what they say. Don't predict the market. Just react to it, man. React to what you guys see. And today, damn, that could have been really nice. I mean, look at that. We got a nice little wick right here. This could have been some demand zone right here. I mean, look at that. Technically, how I would jot it down would probably be from right here to right here like that. Yeah, and look at that. Enters it, shoots straight up. That's clean right there. That's really clean. Anyways, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. Again, everybody, a fake out. These fake outs, man, all you can really do is just react to them, exit out your position. You can't really even. Let me know in the comments down below, man. Do you guys know if there's a certain way to tell if it's a fake breakout? No, man. To me, it's just like, bro, you just gotta eat it. That's all it is, bro. You gotta just eat it and just risk and just manage your risk, pretty much. Make sure if it's a fake breakout and it's not against your move, or if it's against your move, then just gotta close that position and just move on to the next setup. That's pretty much all it is.